Legends of Learning presents the Repairs on Wheels Natural Resources game. This is a science game that makes learning about natural resources fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, drive around a village in your car, making repairs and helping people while learning more about different energies and natural resources. Use the mouse to click on different buttons to complete different tasks to help the village solve problems with the wind generators, solar panels, machinery, farms, and other challenges. Use the instructions to complete each task to move on to the next level. Read interesting facts about science and complete match the column problems to learn more about natural resources. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.